Okay, here is the Estes Sky Ranger single channel rudder-only system installed in the Comet Sparky. This is the coil actuator that controls the rudder, and it doesn't have a lot of movement. It's got does have left and right movement. It's just got a 3.7 volt lithium ion battery that controls the whole thing. The range is a few hundred feet. It's enough. Again, I just installed this as a means of correcting the flight path in the normal free flight mode in case it started to get into a dangerous path with a tree or a building or something, to turn it. And otherwise it's just meant to fly as a regular free flight airplane.